this video, we're going to install this beautiful Grant 201 steering wheel into my 1985 Dodge Ram truck, Dodge D150.
Thankfully, Jason knows and has all the tools to change steering wheels and has done this several times. He's showing me how in this part and I'm assisting. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you guys can follow along for our journey and as we change this truck. One of the things I want to say is we did find this perfect installation kit to be able to install the Grant steering wheel onto the truck. It's specific to vehicles, so that's important to know if anybody's looking to purchase this.
You said earlier you may have to take it back off too.
Well, look at it. Say essentially the plates. This one fits the column, but what I don't like is there's a gap in it. And the other one covers the gap, but it's bigger. Now be careful because one of my honks, so don't let it scare you if it does. We're just gonna go down the road and make sure wheel's straight. Right window down, would you?
That's actually not bad.